students, today we are going to learn the 13th lesson, perimeter and area. So today we will study how to find out the perimeter of a figure. So we can find out the perimeter of the field using a square grid sheet. So here look at the picture, this is square grid sheet. It is square notebook. You see first standard you see the square notebook, that is square grid sheet, and you can draw one picture here inside that one. So you want to find out the perimeter of this picture. Okay, so we can find out the perimeter of this shape, that is here, this is here to here is 1 unit. So how many units you want to find out? So here we can start from here to find out the perimeter of this figure. Here you can start 1 2, this each square you can add as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So the perimeter of this picture is how many? 24 units. The perimeter of this picture is 24 units. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. So here the another unit to measure length is hectometer. Hectometer, or otherwise we can, the short form is HM. That is 1 HM equal to 100 meter. That is 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. We studied 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here 1 hectometer is equal to how many? 100 meter. Okay. So the another unit of measure length is hectometer, and 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. This you want to write in your notebook also. So here first picture. So I told you to count the squares. So here find the perimeter of this one. So here one square is 1 unit. So you can count how many units. So we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So the perimeter of this picture is 44 centimeter. Okay. That is, perimeter means the outer boundary of this picture. Okay. Perimeter means the outer, the length of the outer boundary. So here next also you can do yourself. Next one, calculate the perimeter of each shape. The length of the square is in 1 centimeter. So here I have to find out the perimeter. So how will you find out? The length is 1. You can start from here. First one. You can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So perimeter of this picture is how many? 16 centimeter. Next we can study how to find out the perimeter of a closed figure. So here you see one picture here, and here the length of the each side is written in the side of this picture. So here is 35. So you want to find out the perimeter of this picture. You want to add these all numbers together. Okay, so we can find out the measure the perimeter field using the length along the boundary. That is, you can add 35 plus 8 plus 5 plus 15 plus 40 plus 20. Then you can find out the perimeter of this picture. That is, we should find the sum of the length of all the sides of the field. That is, sum of the length of all the sides of the field, it gives us perimeter. So you can add the numbers of these all sides. Next, we can find out the perimeter of the following shapes. First one is closed figure. So find out the perimeter of this picture. There is 15 meter, 15 meter, 25 meter, 12 meter and 25 meter. So you can add these all numbers. So the perimeter of this picture, that is you can add these all numbers 15 meter, 15 meter, 25 meter, 25 meter and 12 meter. So the perimeter of this picture is how many? 92 meter. Okay. Next question also you can find out. To find out the perimeter, you can add these all numbers. So 19 meter, 20 meter, 10 centimeter, 22 meter, 25 meter, 5 centimeter. So how will you add? First you add 19 meter, then 20 meter, 10 centimeter, 20.10 centimeter plus 25.5 centimeter plus 22 meter. Then you can add and find out the answer. Okay, so when you're getting the answer, when you find out the answer, we get the answer meter and centimeter also. Same way on the C question also. Then you write which of these polygons has greatest perimeter. This is polygons. Okay. So in this polygons, which is greatest perimeter, you find out the write the answer A, B or C. So next question. Tripti wants to attach a ribbon around the border of the birthday card that she has made for her father. Find out the length of the ribbon she needs. So here you want to find out the perimeter of this card. That is, you can add this all numbers. Then you find out. Okay. Then find out the length of the ribbon she needs. You find out the length, how many centimeter. Now, Tripti's father goes to a park every day for a morning walk. What is the perimeter of the park? You find out the perimeter of this park. Then, there is a quicker way to find out the perimeter of the square park? So any other way, if is there any other way to find out the perimeter? If it is, you can write yes or no. What is the distance he covered? He walks around the park 3 times. So the perimeter of this, find out the perimeter of this park. Then if he walked 3 rounds, how many meter? You want to find out how many meter he walks in one day. Okay. Next, find the missing length of each figure. So here the perimeter is 38 centimeters. So the length of the each side will given. So how will you find out? If one side is missing. So how will you find out the answer? First you add these whole numbers. That is 12 plus 3 plus 3 plus 12. That is what is the answer? So that is 30 centimeter. The perimeter of this picture is 30 centimeter and one side is missing. So the full area is 38 centimeters. So you can subtract 38 minus the total here. That is 30. Then what is the answer? Answer is here this side is 8 centimeter. Okay. Then same we can do the next question also. That is first you can add these two numbers. Then you subtract 24 from that number. Okay.